Today, we're going to make a monster that you can hug. For this craft, you will need some regular size paper and long paper. You'll also need a pencil and a marker, some scissors, googly eyes, and some Scotch tape and white glue. First step, draw the body of your monster. This can be any shape that you want. Tip, close your eyes and see what shape you come up with. Next, outline your shape with a marker. This will make it easier for cutting out later. Add some details, like a mouth, eyebrows, extra limbs. Be creative. Monsters can look weird. Now, cut out the shape of your monster. When you're all cut out, add some color. Of course, if you like, you can color your monster before you cut it out to make coloring easier. Once your monster's all colored, pick out some googly eyes. And glue them onto your monster. Put as many eyes as you'd like and place them anywhere. This is a monster after all. Now it's time to use our long sheet of paper. If you only have regular size paper, tape some together to make them longer, and trace your hand as close to one end of the paper as you can. After you've done this, fold the paper in half and cut out your hand. Separate your hands and cut out more strips of paper to add length. Tape your hands to each end of your paper. These will make your monster's arms. Use scissors to cut off any excess. Next, color your monster's arms. Now that your monsters are colored, you can glue your monster body into the center of the arms. When your monster is all dry, you'll be finished. Now you have a monster you can hug.